Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a walking tour of a section of the Southern Coastal Highway. We are in 11 miles in Bull Bay, St. Andrew. We're actually at the border with St. Andrew and St. Thomas. So a subscriber made a very good suggestion. He said, why don't we do walking tours of these places that we visit? We already did a driving tour, so why not do a walking tour? So it was actually a very good idea. So we are on the bridge by 11 miles Bull Bay, and this is the Southern Coastal Highway. This highway is going to run from Kingston, Port Antonio, and we are at the 11 miles Bull Bay area. So we can tell you this highway is going to be 110 kilometers of road that looks just like the one we're walking on now, and it's going to be done in phases. Okay, well, first let's talk about the Southern Coastal Highway project. This project is actually two parts. Part one is to build a highway from Harborview to Port Antonio, and phase two is to build a highway from Negril to Manchester. So this is where we are now, and that highway from Kingston to Port Antonio started in 2017 and it should finish in 2025. So let's look at the alignment of the highway. The highway is being built in phases. Phase 1A is from Kingston, or from Harborview to Yalos. Phase 1B, Yalos to Moran Bay, and then build it out in phases like that. So let's look at phase 1A because that's the section that we're walking on today. Okay, so between Kingston and, or actually from the Harborview Bridge to the Yalos Bridge, that's phase 1A. So between the Harborview Bridge and 11 miles Bull Bay, which is where we are now, we're at 11 miles Bull Bay, the highway is going to run along the existing roadway. That's the existing roadway there. It's going to be upgraded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. So the highway will look like this, all the way from the Harborview Bridge to 11 miles Bull Bay. We run along the existing roadway, and then from 11 miles Bull Bay, which is where we are, this new road has been built that will take you over the hill and come up by the Southern Coast Adventure Park. And then at the Southern Coast Adventure Park, it will run along the existing roadway back to just outside the Grand Spen area, where it will bypass Grand Spen and a new road will be built. Actually, that road is actually finished now. And then it will go from, after it bypasses the Grand Spen area, it will then, the road will then run towards, from Albion to the Yalos Bridge. 4 lanes just like this, all the way back to the Yalos Bridge. So this is where we are, 11 miles Bull Bay. We actually have videos of our driving on this section of the road, but at the time we drove on it, the road was open, but now they're doing a lot of work, so you can't drive on it. Like straight ahead, you can see the road is actually blocked. So let's see what's going on this side of the road now. Whoa, this is a very steep. Didn't realize that the bridge was so high up. Didn't realize at all. It didn't look that higher from the other side. So this bridge is actually very high. Oh, that's a very nice view. This is actually a very good idea. We're going to do this with the Harbour View Bridge, and we're going to do it with the Rio Mino Bridge. Take a walking tour. I'm not sure what the name of this bridge is. A subscriber had mentioned it once in one of the comments. So if anybody knows what's the name of this bridge, it's a bridge by 11 miles. It's a new bridge that was built. You can let us know. At the other end of this road, where it comes up by the Southern Coastal Adventure Park, they were doing some work the last time we were here, so you can't drive from here to the Southern Coastal Adventure Park. It's like one of the workers from China Harbour Engineering Company. Let's see if you can drive. Oh, you can go on the other side of the road. Because clearly that road is blocked. Yeah, this looks like the top of the bridge. To show you guys how high up this bridge goes. When you're walking on it, you don't realize that you're so high up. It's actually a very nice view of Jamaica. We're not going to go any further, but this is what the road will look like practically from Kingston or from Harbour View to the Yalos Bridge, 4 lanes. And between Harbour View or St. Andrew and Portland, it's going to be 4 lanes. in some sections, 2 lanes in some sections. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Let us know what you think about these walking videos, and we'll probably make more. We'd love the feedback from persons on the channel. It was actually a very good suggestion by the subscriber. I mean, we're already at the location, so might as well make a more detailed video because you can pick up a lot more when walking. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to leave your comments. Have a good day.